Asuntoskeittiö Lännenlinna, Ylipäänkatu Foring, Tornio. About modernized. This sounds fast, but it's not fast. In 1977, married in 2018. It's 37947. So the elevator was modernized before other building was constructed. Yeah, the building was constructed and in May 2019 at least, when I was Tornio last time, 5th floor. Totally still modernized by Kone and without inner doors. 4 or 325 kilograms. Ground floor. Inspected by Kone, inspected, maintained by Kone. I have found totally about 50 elevators in Tornio, but I haven't found any cases 280 elevators yet. 5th floor. And then I think there are no similar elevators in Tornio. Just Kone Otis and Valmitsliren, probably. Let's hope that no generic elevators. Ground floor. That's it.